So our next topic is auxochromes and chromophores. Chromophores and auxochromes. So these two definitions, again, they are very, very important. So what is chromophore? Meaning of chromo is usually color and phore means giving, color giving. Okay. Now what are chromophores? On definition बड़े ध्यान नाल सुन लेना. Chromophore is any structural feature or a group present in a molecule It is any structural feature or a group which is present in a molecule and is responsible for absorption of radiations either by pi to pi star transitions or by n to pi star transitions. So what are chromophore? Chromophore is any structural feature or a group present in a molecule which is responsible for absorption of radiations either by pi to pi star transitions or by n to pi star transitions. Now definition is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
For example, the chromophore कोई भी ऐसा ग्रुप हो सकता है जेड़ा responsible है absorption of radiations. किहड़ियां radiations? UV visible radiations, of course. Absorption of UV visible radiations. The chromophore कोई भी ऐसा ग्रुप हो सकता है जेड़ा responsible है UV visible radiations ਦੇ absorb होने ਦੇ ਲਈ and ਉਹ radiations ਕਿਵੇਂ absorb ਹੋ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ either by pi to pi star transition or by n to pi star transitions. For example, if you have acetone. Now in this acetone, which group is acting as a chromophore? Chromophore केड़ा group है which is responsible for absorption either by pi to pi star transition or n to pi star transition. ਤਾਂ acetone ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਹੜਾ group ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ absorption ਕਰੇਗਾ radiations by this pi to pi star ਜਾਂ n to pi star transitions ਦੇ ਨਾਲ? Very
carbonyl group.
Double bond O.
Carbonyl group.
This carbonyl group is your chromophore. Similarly, if you have an ethylene, now what is a chromophore in ethylene?
CH2 double bond CH2.
Yes, pi bond, double bond. So this double bond is a chromophore. Similarly, suppose you have benzene, this phenol. So what is chromophore in this phenol?
So same carbonyl group होएगा जी.
Carbonyl group कित्थे लग्या होया यार phenol ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ?
सर ਜਿਹੜਾ n star ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ 2 ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨਸ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਉਹ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਨਾ.
ਹੈ
ਸਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ O ਹੈ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ 2 ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨਸ ਹੋਣਗੇ.
ਹਾਂ
ਸਰ ਉਹ n2 ਫਿਰ n2 pi star ਵਾਲਾ ਦੇਊਗਾ.
ਬੇਟੇ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਸੁਣੋ ਮੇਰੀ. n2 pi star transition ਕਦੋਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਏ? ਉਹ ਉਦੋਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਏ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਹੈਟਰੋ ਐਟਮ ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਨੌਨ ਬੌਂਡਿੰਗ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨ ਹੋਣ और डायरेक्टली अटैच्ड होवे डबल बॉन्ड दे नाल एवें ये देखो एवें में
नो सर
हाँ तो n to pi star ट्रांजिशन होएगी नहीं कि ये पाई टू पाई स्टार ट्रांजिशन और किहदे वजह दे नाल होएगी these double bonds. So this phenyl ring, it will act as a chromophore.
Okay.
Let's take some other examples. Suppose you have so which is chromophore in this case? What are chromophores in this case? Diazobenzene.
Sir, N double bond N.
N double bond N and phenyl ring. Both are chromophores. Similarly, you can have CH3, CH2, oxygen, then CH2, single bond CH, double bond CH2. In this molecule, which is chromophore?
CH
Double bond. So this double bond is a chromophore. Okay, because it is responsible for absorption by pi to pi star transition. So chromophore is any structural feature or any group which is present in a molecule and it is responsible for absorption of UV visible radiations by pi to pi star transition or by N to pi star transition. So today I am ending this lecture over here.